Hello everyone. Today let us discuss about another theorem. What is that theorem? The ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding sides. Whenever I say there are two similar triangles, I have to draw one big triangle, one small triangle. Suppose A, B, C and D, E, F are the two triangles. Areas of similar triangles are proportional to the squares of the corresponding sides. So, whenever similar, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. And AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. So, let us write down that in given. So, ratios of areas of two similar triangles. Whenever they give two similar triangles, you have to write down that in given. What is given? In given, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Therefore, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and angle C is equal to angle F. And AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. To prove, what is to prove? Areas of similar triangles. Area of triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square by DE square, or is equal to BC square by EF square, or is equal to AC square by DF square. See what I want to prove? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DF is equal to squares of the corresponding sides. AB square by DE square, or BC square by EF square, AC square by DF square. Here I need not prove all the three. Today let me take BC square by EF square. So, construction. I construct something to prove. I draw AD perpendicular to BC and DAM and DN perpendicular to EF. Construction. Draw AL is there in your textbook maybe. Okay, DM. So, draw AL perpendicular to BC and DM perpendicular to EF. Correct? Now, my proof starts. Everyone understood? See, in triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. So, angles are equal, sides are proportional. To prove area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DF, they are proportional to the squares of the corresponding sides. So, we did the construction. Now, let me start the proof. In the proof, you know what is the formula to find out the area of the triangle? What is the formula to find out the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. So, I write down area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DF is equal to half into BC into AL divided by half into EF into DM, because area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So, half get cancels. What is remain? BC by EF into AL by DM. Now, what I wanted to prove? Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DF is equal to AB square by DE square, or BC square by EF square, or AC square by DF square. And I said we can prove any one. Now BC by EF is come, so BC square by EF square I want to prove. In order to get BC square by EF square, I have to convert AL by DM as BC by EF. So I have to take, what is my next step? I have to take the triangles which consist of AL and DM, and I have to prove that they are similar. Can I prove that they are similar? Definitely yes. In triangle, call it as what? In triangle ABL and triangle DEM, angle ABL is equal to angle DEM. Why given? Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle E. Angle ALB is equal to angle DME is equal to 90. Why? Construction, we constructed perpendicular construction. Therefore, angle BAL is equal to angle EDM. Why? Remaining. Therefore, triangle ABL is similar to triangle DEM. Once they say they are similar, I can say the corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AB by DE is equal to AL by DM is equal to BL by EM. But in the given you have written, but we know that, what you have written? But we know that AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. Suppose I say 6 is equal to 4 plus 2, which is equal to 10 minus 4. 6 also is equal to 5 plus 1, which is also equal to 8 minus 2. I can write down anything. 6 is equal to, same thing I am doing. AB by D is equal to AL by DM is equal to BL by EM. AB by D is equal to all these. So AB by D is common. So AB by DE is equal to AL by DM is equal to BC by EF. From here I can say AL by DM is equal to BC by EF. So I substituting in 1, what did I get? Instead of AL by DM, I can write down BC by EF. So, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC by EF. Instead of AL by DM, BC by EF. Please write down sentence. What is that substituting? AL by DM is equal to BC by EF in 1. So, BC by EF into BC by EF is equal to BC square by EF square. So, areas of similar triangles are proportional to the corresponding squares of the corresponding sides. This is our theorem. Based on this, we can solve some of the problems. Let us start. The first question, whatever they have given is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So, triangle DEF. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. Right? So, angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. AB by DE is equal to BC by EF is equal to AC by DF. If EF is equal to 15.4, areas are ABC is 64 and DEF 121 square centimeter. EF is 15.4. What is BC? Just now we studied what is that theorem. Areas of similar triangles are proportional to the squares of the corresponding sides. So, which is the corresponding side? BC and EF, right? So, I can write down area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF is equal to BC square by EF square. Correct? So, what is area of triangle ABC? 64 divided by 121 is equal what is BC square? That's what I have to find out. Divided by EF square. Right? So what is EF square? 15.4 the whole square. So I can do the cross multiplication. Then you get BC square is equal to 64 into 15.4 into 15.4 divided by 121 BC square. So let me write down 64 as 8 into 8. BC square I write down 8 into 8 into 15.4 into 15.4 divided by 11 into 11. That would be, you will be able to understand better. Therefore, BC is equal to, if you have written twice, only once. Square root of BC square is BC. So 8 into 8, 8 into 15.4 divided by 11. 11 ones are 11, 11 14s are 154. So 1.4. 8 into 1.4. 8 15s are 120, 8 40s are 112. So 11.2 what? Centimeter. Oh, that is your answer. Now, let me solve one more problem. The question is like this. Diagonals of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at O. If AB is equal to 2 times CD, find the ratio of triangle AOB and triangle COD. AB is, by the question only, AB is twice of CD. AB is bigger side and CD is the smaller side of a trapezium. So if I draw bigger side and this is smaller side, you know in a trapezium a pair of sides are parallel. So A, B, C, D. So AB is parallel to DC. Am I right? The diagonals intersect each other at O. Now what I have to prove? Ratio of AOB and COD. In order to prove the ratio of the triangles, I have to prove that they are similar. Can I prove that they are similar? Definitely yes. What can you do? You take triangle AOB and triangle DOC. This is vertically opposite angles. This angle is equal to this angle. Why? Alternate angles. This angle is equal to this angle. Why? Alternate angles. Therefore, the two triangles are similar. Once you know that they are similar, I can find out the areas of the similar triangles are proportional to the space of the corresponding sides. That's the theorem I know, and I can find out whatever I want. So, what can I write down? Now, in order to find the ratio of AOB and COD, let me prove that they are similar. So, how do I start? In triangle AOB and triangle COD, angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Why? Vertically opposite angles. Angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. Why? Alternate angles. Alternate angles will be there only when they are parallel. Angle OBA is equal to angle ODC. Again, alternate. Therefore, all the three angles are over. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Why? A similarity criteria. So, now I can compare. Therefore, area of triangle AOB divided by area of triangle COD. They have said about only the sides AB and CD. So, let me write down AB square by CD square. So, is equal to, what is AB square? AB they have given 2CD. So, 2CD the whole square divided by CD square. What is 2CD the whole square? 4CD square by CD square. So, CD square gets cancels. 4 by 1. So, the ratio is 4:1. So, I hope you understood both the problems. So, you try the rest of the problems, because these problems, once you know the theorem as well as how to prove that they are similar, very easily you can prove. So, if you like my video, Please share it with others and subscribe it. Thank you very much.